RackNap is a cloud services delivery platform helping to automate the provisioning of services, which includes traditional services like web hosting, shared hosting, reseller hosting, WordPress hosting, etc. And also automate the provisioning of cloud services like Microsoft Azure, AWS, IBM SoftLayer. And in addition to provisioning these services, RackNap helps build these services on different or flexible payment models or billing models. This could be prepaid services or post-paid model or on a pay-per-use model. And RackNap also offers a true multi-cloud experience whereby it is able to sell Microsoft Azure-based services or AWS-based services or Amazon or IBM SoftLayer-based services, right? And with that, the customer has flexibility to be able to procure cloud services from any of these hyperscalers via the CSP. In addition to some of these services, RackNap also helps with monitoring the infrastructure as well. RackNap has built-in integrations with Cacti and PRTG to be able to understand the health of the service, health of the business in terms of the infrastructure, how it is running, whether it's up and running or not, whether if it is down, how long it has been down, generate email alerts to the appropriate technical team to resolve them. And RackNap with its monitoring capability can help manage that as well. The end customer experience has to be as seamless as possible, and RackNap facilitates that by offering a self-service control panel for the end customers. So in this control panel, the end customer is able to look at all the services what he has purchased, upgrade or renew the services directly from here without any manual intervention by the service provider. In addition to management of the services, the customers also get to log support tickets with the cloud service providers, because at the end of the day, the cloud service providers need to be in constant communication with the end customer to be able to ensuring that their services are working as expected. And RackNap's inbuilt support module capability comes in very handy. And RackNap also has excellent capabilities for data center providers to be able to manage their data center inventory. As and when new hardware comes to your data center, you can add them onto the RackNap panel. You can add software licenses also to the RackNap panel. You can also add your IP address inventory. So all of these three fundamentals like hardware, the software, and IP address helps you to build a cloud infrastructure. This could be a VPS, this could be a dedicated server, or a cloud itself in your DC. And RackNap's inventory management capability helps you to have a very tight control over your infrastructure which is in your data center. And also, when you have built these VPSs and dedicated servers, you also get to have a visual look of the actual utilization of your racks. For example, if you have a number of racks in your organization, in your data center, you will be able to look at the actual utilization of how many racks are occupied, how many are vacant, and you can visually look at them and make informed decisions on how much you need to procure upfront and how much stock you need to maintain so that you can meet the needs of your customers. And that's where RackNap helps the data center providers to be able to manage their inventory effectively. RackNap also has excellent capabilities for partner management. Right? So when, as a distributor or as a large customer, you are actually wanting to onboard partners who will subsequently resell your services, RackNap has capabilities whereby it can help you to onboard your partners onto the platform, assign credit limits for them, assign services and products which they can sell from the platform, and also assign discount percentages, etc. as well, okay? With which you have complete control over the credit terms of the partner, what you have agreed with them, the service terms, etc. as well. So RackNap is able to cater to the needs of a direct selling model whereby the end customer makes a self-service purchase, and also meeting the needs of the partner channel community as well, whereby it can help do the indirect sale model as well. Also, this module has escalation matrix capability, whereby when there are SLA breaches, then the customer has ability to escalate to the next higher level of command for and requesting for a faster resolution. And also RackNap also saves some time by automatically assigning tickets to appropriate SMEs or subject matter experts for appropriate products and services. So with which the ticket is automatically assigned to the right expert for that appropriate product or service, with which the resolution can be done faster. And also RackNap has built-in knowledge base or a self-help capability whereby as and when your processes mature with support, whereby you start to understand root cause analysis of defects, you can update knowledge base articles with which customers can go and understand the root cause of the issues and then find the solution provided by you, which means the number of tickets will be logged by the customer starts to go down the more you start updating your KB articles or self-help articles as well. And last but not the least is business intelligence. The more the amount of data in the platform, the more data mining that can be done, the more informed decisions you as an exec can make on your business. And RackNap's built-in capability of business intelligence analytics module helps you with visually appealing dashboard and charts, informing you about how your health of your business is in terms of revenue numbers, in terms of order volumes, in terms of SLAs, how much you have adhered to, how much you have not adhered to, and also understanding how much of your sales has been on fresh sales, which means how good are your hunters doing, how good are your farmers doing. So you can understand all of that by looking at the business intelligence reports and helping you make informed decisions on the platform.